what's good? It's Andrew from ProducerSociety.com. Today I'm going to show you guys how to do a pitch bend in Garageband. Now this video is probably going to take 2 seconds, alright? I'm going to show you what to do. You go Command K, and then so you got your musical typing up. So you hit your note, then you just hit your note, and then hit 2 on your keyboard like that. Or hit 1 to go down. So that's one way of doing it. Another way that you can do it is you can like hit it on your keyboard and actually do it with your mouse. That's another way to do it. Or another thing that you can do is you can use a MIDI keyboard. So most MIDI keyboards that you buy nowadays, they'll come with a pitch bending wheel. So I'm gonna go and grab mine right now to show you. So yeah, I don't know if you can see that. It's this wheel right here. It's this wheel right on this corner here. So that's how you do the pitch wheel. So anyway, other than that, that's kind of it. That's basically how you do it. It doesn't get any more simple than that. So yeah, make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. By the way, I apologize for the poor lighting. It's nighttime here, and I don't really have any other lights. But anyway, I'll see you in the next video. All right? Bye.